And these are my speakers all set up, and now I'm going to put them into action. So anyways, I did get the remote for it. It had some pretty bad batteries, but now it's got some good ones in there. As you can see, I did swap them out, and yeah. Something cool about this thing is that it has AM and FM radio. So like, let's jump back here. I know this is like a mess, but like, here is the FM antenna, and then here is the AM antenna. This is like super weird, old-fashioned. I think the FM one is like more ergonomic something. And then, like right now, you can see that it is set to line in. One sec. Okay, I'm back. I did clean this up so then there would be less glare with these good guys. Yeah. Right now it says line in, and there's several settings: game/line in, VCR, DVD, AM, FM, satellite cable, TV, and Blu-ray disc. And now let's see how it sounds. Going to load up a video that has some sound. So right now it is loading, and let's wait for it to load. Let's make sure the volume's high enough. So yeah. So there are like 5 speakers up here, but only this one's working for some reason. Then down here I've got the subwoofer. This thing is like, it works like a charm, although sometimes it's like acting up for some reason. And yeah. Let's also test it with some AM and FM radio. First we'll do some FM radio. That's weird. Okay, so now I've got 104.7 loaded. So take a short listen.
I wish you'd save a little bit just for me. Protective or possessive, call it classic or aggressive. Tell me music up. Now put in my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. Can call me obsessed. It's not your fault. Just stay up. I mean, no disrespect. It's alright to be hellish. I still get jealous.
Here's another instant Twitter makes request.
Hashtag most requested live.
And now for some AM.
$.
Okay.
And then that includes, I think you get 10 photos on a single charge.
That's the
And
antenna.
and it works via Bluetooth between your phone and this.
Okay.
And yeah.
And then if you wanted to buy
That
additional,
is
supplies for the
my
printer,
new home
a
theater
pack of
system. Hope you guys
$30,
enjoyed this
pack of
video.
30, prints
Peace
ran
out.
us $20.